sort of exam type question is when we want to look at functional notation for various functions. So this time we want to find out which of these possible functions satisfies this property f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y. So there are various possibilities there for these functions. So we'll go to a calculator page and see what the calculator comes back with for various options like this. Once again, we're not going to graph these functions, but we are going to define them. So let's say define, menu, actions, define. So I'll just call it f of x, as in the question, f of x equals, and I'll just type in x squared, which was option number A. We'll see what the calculator comes back with when I type in f, notice that it's bold there, of x plus y equals to f of x times f of y. It just comes back to me as that. Well, that's not really true. All right, let's have a look at option number 2 here, option B, which was log. So let me just change that now to log x. So control e to the x, log x. Let's see what happens if we just reissue this command. Again, nothing appears to be true there. All right, let's try option number C by now replacing the 1 over the log x with 1 over x. So now we'll just go back and reissue this command. That still doesn't appear to be true. So we've tried all the possibilities, A, B and C. Let's have a look now at option number D, which was when f of x is equal to e to the x. So if f of x is equal to e to the x, and now I issue this command f of x plus y equals f of x times f of xy, the calculator says true. So that means that the only function which does satisfy this property is option number D. So in this sort of sense, you can use your calculator to check some of these answers. Of course, we should be a little bit careful of some domain restrictions sometimes here, but in most of the cases, it will always come back as true, or it'll just put out something which is a statement which is not necessarily true. So when it says true, it means that's the correct function which satisfies that property.